Alright, man. Wolf Gang. What's good, guys? Your boy ChinoAlphaWolf. Welcome back to the channel. Man, this is totally off topic, but bruh, starting out today, it's hot as hell. When the hell did it get so hot in LA? The other night, I was low-key kind of cold. Like, wind was blowing. I was like, alright, well. I woke up this morning, I always like throw on a little hoodie or something, walk outside. But as soon as I walked outside, I was like, a la verga. You know, I started sweating out all kinds of soy sauce. But anyways, I don't know what's going on, bro. It's global warming, you know what I mean? It's like I live in tapatio sauce, you know what I mean? That's totally off topic. Starting out today, I am heading over to this little shop and they sell these little packets. I'm gonna be pulling a little prank on a boy Vaughn, who's like a real close homie of mine, with these little packets of blood. And I'm gonna put it in my mouth and basically you're supposed to like chew on them. Look at this dude. Bro, you're blocking the... Come on, dog. You're blocking the exit. What the hell's going on? Dumbass. I gotta pick up Vaughn. I'm actually low-key running a little bit late, but I'm gonna go pick up these packets of blood, and you're supposed to put them in your mouth, and when you're ready, you're supposed to just pop them with your teeth, and then you have like blood gushing out of your mouth. Hopefully we get a good reaction, because I mean, what would you do if your homie just like starts spewing out, coughing up blood? You know what I mean? Hopefully we get a fun reaction out of Vaughn, man. Let's get it.
What you filming?
What are you doing?
My bad, bro.
What?
You downstairs or what?
Hold on. Did you just lick your lips?
No, bro, what is going on?
What's
you
happening?
trying to make me out to be a pervert or something?
What are you doing?
I mean, well, nothing. Is you ready?
I'm ready. I'm downstairs.
Alright, here I come.
I'm so happy you got this AC on, bro. It's 100 degrees.
Oh my god, I walked outside, instantly got thirsty. It's hot as shit. Where you guys?
You got your AC blowing there? I mean, yeah, your AC burning.
What?
I don't know what's going on. It's the heat, bro. I might have a heat stroke, bro. That's my dream car.
That's your dream car?
Yes.
A Corvette? What's so special about
I'm
that?
gonna get a drop top one, all black matte. Boy,
Bro,
I'm
there's
putting butterfly
nothing special
doors
about
on
it.
it and everything, bro.
A Corvette?
Yes. Go crazy. But shit, I think you might as well just go to Little Caesars.
Little Caesars?
Yeah. It's
Huh?
a piece a day, bro. Piece a day.
You guys want to try Hungry Howie's?
No.
Really?
Hungry
You guys are from Michigan.
No, you ain't gonna have Hungry Howie's down here, bro. It's so nasty, bro.
You had it?
Yes.
And
It don't taste none like Michigan.
For real?
Yeah, Little Caesar's the best pizza I had down here.
You gonna eat some pizza? Is that what he says? The little character joint. Doesn't he say eat some pizza? What does he say?
I watch the commercial.
It's just like David knows, bro. That's how David knows is, nigga. David, do you own Little Caesars, nigga?
You ain't finna eat yours or what?
I'm gonna eat my shit right now, bro. You banging your shit, make my shit look good. Making your shit look good, make me wanna eat, bro.
I'm banging this bitch, bro. This is fire as hell.
Shorty over there?
Hmm?
That's just Shorty over there.
Huh.
Right there. It took that.
Damn,
Wow.
that was quick.
Yeah, that was fast. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I thought it was gonna be like 10 minutes.
More than that, nigga. Don't make me taking so long. It took that fast.
I can't believe you got it that quick.
Don't give it to me.
Put it right there on the seat. Ugly ass.
I'm trying to eat.
Pepperoni ass. I'm late to the mukbang, bro.
Yeah, bro. Started without
I'm looking straight though.
For who?
For you.
Stop, bro.
Alright.
Weird. The way this dude answered the phone, he had no shirt on.
Did they see me when you?
Not that time.
Yeah.
No, the second time. Second time they did, but the first time he called me, he was wearing no shirt, licking his lips. What the hell?
I don't know what you talking about. The Caesar got the best pizza. You just gotta add stuff too.
You just go and buy that little cheap ass $5 pizza, bro. Something wrong with you.
Nah, I can't be cool with you.
You add like extra stuff to it?
You gotta add Parmesan and butter cheese crust. What we talking about in the mukbang, bro?
When did you lose your virginity? Was it ass or was it fire?
It was amazing.
For real? I did a horrible job, I feel like.
I felt like I knew what I was doing because I used to beat my meat so much that I was like, I know what I'm doing.
I had no idea what I was doing.
Nah, me either. First time, I thought I was like going so crazy. She told me, you ain't do nothing. The second time I went crazy. Like right after I hit them bitches, I went in again.
I was only like 16 though.
You remember the feeling like when you put it in and stuff? You were like, is that right?
Yeah,
Am I doing that right?
Did you go in the booty hole too? You told me?
Hmm?
Did you say you went in the wrong hole in the booty hole or something like that?
No, I went in the mouth first and then I was like, oh wait, that's not the right one. Oh,
Not funny.
Future Chino edited that out. How old were you when you lost it?
Hmm.
How old were you when you lost yours?
16.
Oh, 15, baby.
Feel it. She bad? Or she was ass?
Man, it was getting me in trouble with Nyree. She was straight. She was my first girlfriend.
Out of 10, what would you?
Probably like a Nyree. If I could give her a rating, it'd probably be a Nyree.
Alright.
Cause Nyree the only girl I see.
Mine was a 4, bro.
You must be watching.
Huh? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Were you
I
like
never-
were you like the cool kid in high school, or were you like picked on?
I was like the quiet kid. Like I knew people, but nobody really messed with me. Like out of school, I would just talk to some people in class or something like that.
Did you go to like the football events and basketball events? And all
We
that?
ain't had no, but we ain't get no like I was on the basketball team, but
Oh,
we ain't get our own gym. Like they had to build a gym. Cause I went to a new school that was just made. I only had like 30 people in my senior class.
god damn.
Yeah, I got a picture of all my whole senior class is like this.
Yeah, I hope that school get closed down.
That shit could fit in like an Instagram picture.
Yeah, I got it
it's
on
that
my IG.
small?
Yeah, it was only like 30 people.
Delete that shit.
It only like I already deleted. It only got like 16 people who graduated.
What about you?
I didn't know I was gonna graduate till the end of my
I dropped out, baby.
You
I-
what?
I didn't know I graduated till the last day. I had one class that I had to make up.
You dropped that out of high school?
Yeah, there's just some shit going on, bro. I was like in a predicament I couldn't get out, so I was just like, might as well drop out.
So you ain't even trying to talk about it? I don't know why I want to eat Chino pizza.
Leave my pizza alone. I bought a whole pizza for you.
I don't like pepperoni like that no more.
No?
Nah, I'm straight. I ain't gonna lie to real. I don't know if it's Chino or is it you. One of y'all niggas smell like raw chicken, bro. I can't. That's why I ain't eating, cause one of y'all smell like raw chicken.
I might eat it because nigga, I smoked y'all two niggas hat. Y'all two niggas. I don't know why the fuck.
Are you good, bro? Eggplant chili dog about to come out this nigga neck. I pick my pizza in the back. I want coughing on my shit. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Oh, you good?
That piece of sauce, like, oh fuck.
You gotta tell real for real, this nigga bleeding, bro. You good? Chino. Bro, you good? Bro, Chino, is you good, bro? I'm about to throw up. Chino, is you good, bro? Chino. Chino. Chino.
Bro, something tripping right now?
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. You gonna scare this old lady, nigga.
No,
I hope she don't see you, bro. I don't know what to do, nigga.
Don't look in the car, bro. Old lady, just go about your business.
Bro, I don't know what to do, bro.
Bro, is that piece of sauce or is that really blood, bro?
Chino, bro. Chino. Bro, I don't know what to do.
I'm about to go, bro.
Nigga.
I couldn't stop laughing in my head.
That shit ain't funny, bro.
Bro, I swear to God, I didn't know what to do, bro. I was like in shock, bro. Bro.
This is disgusting, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, I know you feel that shit dripping. Oh, keep that shit before dripping your shit.
Huh? That is a lot of blood.
I swear to God, I was Uber home. Bro.
You have to Uber home.
Yes, nigga. I swear to God on my life, bro, I'm gonna do it, bro. Like for real, nigga. I got sick.
Don't do no shit like that, bro.
Why do you call the police?
I'm
Gonna call the ambulance.
Bro,
I'm in shock, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I can't eat no more, bro.
I'm in shock, bro. I swear to God, bro. I can't move. Like, I'm shaking, nigga. Like, why you do some shit like that to me, bro? For real, man.
I'm really almost do it, bro.
I'm in shock, bro. I swear.
I'm sorry, though. That was so disgusting, bro. It's leaking all over.
I thought something was wrong with me.
You thought there was something in the pizza or what?
Yes, bro. I was about to. I don't know, bro.
You were literally about to Uber home now? What kind of whole ass shit is that? No, you gotta.
I'm about to stay with you and wait for me to start bleeding out the mouth. No. They got a towel back here.
Just take me home, bro. I'm good.
I'm sorry, Vaughn. I had to get you, bro.
Hello?
I don't think I ever pulled a prank on you, dog.
That's some crazy shit, bro.
Come back.
Bro, I'm in shock, bro. Just drive me home. That's the craziest shit I ever seen in my life. I don't know where you even, what was that you even was cracking?
Nigga so good, man.
Bro, look at this nigga, bro. I thought this nigga was dead, bro. I'm in shock. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh shit!
Bro, I don't know. I need to go home.
Bro, a dragon came in, bit that out.
I can't laugh.
Bro, I almost
Cut the man. Let's take me home,
I'm
man.
back home, bro. I think I'm tripping, nigga.
Oh,